Okay, let's unpack this. Today we are taking out the digital magnifying glass. We're doing a deep dive into a product called Timilk VeinGuard Spray.
Mm-hmm.
And specifically, its website, t-milk.net. The mission here is really to help you sort through all the chaotic signals you get when you're looking at buying health stuff online.
Right.
So the product pitch, it really catches your eye. It's sold as this quick, non-invasive fix for varicose veins, for spider veins.
The magic spray idea.
Exactly. It promises to reduce how they look, help with swelling, and get rid of that heavy, tired feeling in your legs.
And they list some herbal-sounding ingredients, right?
Yeah.
Canthanol, glycerin, artemia, gardenia.
Yeah. And the big hook is that they claim you'll see noticeable changes in as little as 1 week.
And see, that's where the analytical alarm bells, for me, just start ringing.
A week seems fast.
It's incredibly fast, and that's the core conflict here. The ingredients themselves, they're topical, they're probably harmless, they might give you a little bit of relief for some minor discomfort, but these huge claims about fast vein flattening, that needs real, hard clinical data. And the sources are pretty clear that the data just doesn't exist.
So you're buying it based on hope, really, not science.
You're buying the promise, aggressive hope, not science.
Okay, so if the science is thin, that means we have to look harder at the seller.
Absolutely. How reliable are they?
And when you look at that digital footprint, the lack of transparency is, well, it's immediate. The domain, t-milk.net, is only about 7 months old.
Which is very, very new for a health site. And crucially, like you said, the ownership details, totally hidden.
Right, and that raises the stakes. And this is where the data we found gets really confusing, actually.
It's a total digital dilemma. When we run the site through risk assessment tools, the results are all over the place.
What do you mean?
So a tool like Scam Advisor gives it this moderate score. It says it's probably safe.
Probably safe. Why?
Because it has a valid SSL certificate, that little lock icon in your browser, and it takes payment methods that let you get a refund.
But wait, how can one tool say probably safe, and then another one, like Scam Detector, completely tanks the rating?
Ah, that's the key question.
What is Scam Detector seeing that the other one missed?
It's looking at different things. Scam Advisor is checking for basic digital hygiene. Did they pay for security? Do they take credit cards?
Okay.
Scam Detector is looking at the fundamental business risk. Who is this company? How long have they actually been operating? It flags the hidden identity, the super low traffic history, and the fact that it's digitally close to other websites that are already known to be suspicious.
So it sees the real risk that's hiding behind some basic security features.
Exactly. It's seeing the pattern.
And if that wasn't enough, we looked for what people are actually saying about it, social proof.
And found.
Nothing. I mean, literally nothing. 0 organic discussions on Reddit and its official Trustpilot page. Empty. No reviews at all.
And that tells a huge story. The lack of real feedback, it suggests this isn't a product that's building a community or a reputation. It's classic pump and dump e-commerce. They pop up, they flood social media with ads, grab as much cash as they can, and then they vanish before the chargebacks start rolling in.
Here's where it gets really interesting. When you put it all together, the aggressive, unsupported claims, the brand new website with a hidden owner, and absolutely 0 genuine customer chatter, it just pushes this purchase way over to the higher risk side.
So what does this all mean for you, the person thinking of buying it? The real lesson isn't just to be cautious. It's about understanding how these modern scams work.
How so?
They'll invest a tiny bit in an SSL certificate to look safe, but they hide the business itself because they know the clock is ticking. They know they only have a few months before the site gets flagged and shut down.
So with any health product making big promises from a hidden company, you just have to be extra careful.
Paramount. Caution is paramount. And while the decision is always yours, the recommendation from our sources is clear.
Talk to your doctor first. I mean, this is your health we're talking about.
That's a very wise final note. So next time you see a quick fix that promises these incredibly fast results, maybe ask yourself, does the product's transparency actually match its promise? That's something for you to mull over.